Hi everyone, hope all of you are fine. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Django on your Python project. So first of all I'm going to open my editor. So I'm using Pycharm IDE, and if you are using VS Code then the command should be same, so don't worry about that. So first of all choose your Python project. So as you can see that I have a project called study, but actually I'm practicing with this project. So first of all uh, hover over your project name and open terminal. Then type pip install Django. Then it will actually install Python Django for your system or for your project. As you can see, I have already installed Django on my project. So that's why it's showing requirement already satisfied. But if you don't have Python installed on your Django installed on your project, then you can actually just type this command pip install Django. It will install Python Django for your system. So let me show you. Actually I'm going to open another dummy project so I can show you how it actually works. Python for beginners. I'm actually showing you how to install Django properly on your project. So as you can see, there is a actually it's currently empty, so I'm going to create a folder. So test Python, then I'm going to open it with my terminal. Open terminal, then I'm going to install Django for my this on my this folder. So I'm going to use pip install Django. Sorry, I have a type of mistake. Pip install Django. So actually, as you can see that it's installing Django on my system. So it will take a couple of seconds or couple of minutes based on your internet connection or your system. If you don't have SSD on your PC, then it might take some extra time. So as you can see that the process of installation is still ongoing, so it will maybe take couple of seconds, so I have to wait for that. Actually it's installing different kind of packages: tj, data, sql parse, Django script. So as you can see, the installation in process is completed, and it's saying that you should consider upgrading via your pip version. So I'm going to actually upgrade my pip version. So if you want to actually upgrade your pip install, upgrade pip. Actually I'm going to upgrade my pip latest version. So as you can see, it's already installing the latest version of pip for my system. So if you are seeing this message, just uh, use this command pip install upgrade pip, that then it will actually update the latest pip on your system. So as you can see that our Django installation is completed, and I'm just upgrading my pip. So I'm already showing you that. So as you can see that error could not specify due to OS 0. I will solve it later. So as you can see that our Python Django is installed successfully. And now if you want to check your Django latest version, then you can just type Django admin space the hyphen version. That as you can see, the latest version is Django 4.1.5. So thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. See you in the next video.